When we started to morph the switch into a learning platform so that students and teachers could learn how to build electric vehicles using the Switch Lab, we realized that teachers liked to teach what they've been taught to teach. So we created our workshop. We have a 5-day workshop where instructors come in. They're learning a new process. Mostly we had auto shop teachers in the early days. The idea was that they'd learn how to teach something. We'd lecture in the morning and then do the workshop in the afternoon where they'd actually build the switch. The very first instructor that stood up to introduce himself said, "Hi, my name is Mike, and I really am not happy that I'm here. My boss bought your project, and I don't get to build race cars anymore. Now I have to do this electric vehicle thing." Well, through the course of the workshop, Mike became our most engaged student instructor. Mike got his vehicle. He was the 5th one of the 5 instructors in that first class to get his vehicle, but they were the first one to build the vehicle. And I see Mike at every workshop that we go to. He wants to come and talk to people and tell them how great the product was. And what we learned from that was that Mike, like many others, were very comfortable teaching what they'd been teaching. By going through the workshop and learning about the switch and learning about electric vehicles, he kind of realized, hey, this is really cool. This is something that I can learn and that I can teach my students, and they're going to love it.